Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you your way into creating your first course online. So, first of all guys, in order for you to create a course online, you will need to be like a good in some kind of domain. So let's say that you are good in programming. I highly suggest you like to download like software like OBS, for example, that I'm using currently. And this OBS software allows you to record your screen, and then you can start actually recording like the videos that you want to make, so you can make the full tutorial or the full course like from zero to hero thing, like the basics and then the pro things. And after that, after you record everything and you edit it on, for example, like Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas or whatever program you have like experience with, after that I highly suggest you to actually upload it on Udemy. Basically, Udemy is a courses on demand website, so you can just go here and teach on Udemy. So turn what you know into an opportunity and reach millions around the world, and actually you can start making money through that. So how you can do that? Just click here to teach on Udemy, get started, and here all you need to do is actually sign up. You put your full name, email, and then password. So let's say for example we wanted to connect, so here I will wait for example something like that, pass here email, and here we can just use any random password, and we click on sign up, and your account shall be created. This was problem creating your account. Check that your email address is spelled correctly. So this is my email. I think my email is actually already signed in, so let me just try to sign in, continue with Google, and here we go. So yeah, it has already I have already an account here, so here we go, I'm connected. And now all you need to do is actually start your account. So let me just translate this page if I can to English. So here we go. So here you can go to your my apprenticeship, so you can go learn or you can start your business. So try Udemy business, and here we can actually, for example, add your wish list, make something like make your own courses. How you can do that? So you can have a global impact from here. So you can click here, share experiences, so you can online, continue. I have experience, continue, I have small audience or not at the moment, whatever it is. So let's go here, and after that you can start here creating your courses. So here it is, create your course, and all you need to do is keep adding stuff, videos and attachments, and just like so you have created your course in Udemy. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.